So now we can like create walls just to our, I don't know, like character go around. So for example, if I go, I'm gonna change this name actually. I'm gonna call this Iceland just because I want to be organized. And then I want to go here, right click, create cube, and then I'm gonna reset this, and then I'm gonna bring my cube here, and then I'm gonna put it here, then I'm gonna put it here, and then I want to call this wall, and then I'm gonna make it more slim here, then I'm gonna make it bigger here, more long wall, and here is our wall, right? Rotating my wall, I'm gonna put it there, I'm gonna put it here maybe. Okay, now there is my wall, and then I'm gonna create like a new material for my wall, and then I'm gonna make it purplish, right? And then I have a purple wall, right? And yeah, that's it. So if I have my wall here and then I go inside, the thing is like my body, like my character with a small wall, nevertheless, if I go to the wall, I'm just gonna go through the wall because my character now, he doesn't has a collider. So for that, I need to go to our XR origin. So I can go to add component, and then I go to character, I type character, and then I put character controller. So now you can see I create like a capsule collider around the character. So now I can just not go through the wall. So if I hit play and then I go to the wall, now I cannot go through the wall. But for example, if I go here to scene in Unity, and then for example, let me move more here. If you can see, my character is quite floating, like I feel like I'm not touching the ground, and that's because I'm in a continuous collision with the ground, with the floor. So for that issue, and in my locomotion system, I need to add this script here that is called character controller driver, right? If I put this character controller driver now and hit play, now I'm in the ground, now makes more sense. And if we go here to scene and then we go here, now you can see that my body is more natural and it's okay. Now we can create more interesting things. Like if I put the wall up again inside, try to pass the wall, I can just like move, and then I can just like move, damn it. And if I go really down, I can go through the wall. Oh, I'm in collision. Now I'm in trouble. Okay. I manage? Yes, I manage. But yeah, that's the point. Like you can play now more.